back again. Another episode on the Main Street Randyland YouTube channel. Hooray, hooray! Well, kids, you know what? It's the end of the night. I'm still over here at the Retro Arcade and Fascination. There's nobody here, so we can do a quick video. It's what it is. I'm so tired today. I've been doing video interviews all day long. I started at 11:45, and one interview I was doing didn't end until 5:30. So it was like 6.5 hours nonstop and whatever. And then I ran to Fascination, and now we're doing videos at night. There's people coming in. So, what are we talking about now? Well, we know what change machines are. Everybody knows what change machines are. You put your money in, it gives you the change. That's the way it is. Well, to play the games, you gotta have coins. Now, the Fascination will take quarters, and it also takes tokens, you see? So, I got things I can do with that. Now, everybody's been asking me, for the last how many years, do you take Apple Pay? Do you take Google Pay? Do you take Venmo? PayPal? No, we don't. At least we didn't. But now, through the efforts of technology, we can do that. Here we have the magic card reader. This magic machine will work with the change machine. You can put bills, or you can use your card. Now, here's the thing. If you use your card, there's fees involved with this. The company charges. And it's not a little bit. I mean, it's like 10% plus for the transaction, and then a transaction fee, and a monthly fee, and you had to buy the things and put them on. I bought 5 of these things. I got them on the boxing machines, got them on the water race game. I spent like $2,000 for these things, just so people can take the card. Well, it charges you $6, and it will give you $5 worth of coin. Well, it's charging me an extra $1. That's the fee for the processing. And it tells you that. See, $6, give me $5. Now watch what happens. I'm using my special card, and it will light up, and it will go authorizing, and here they are. Just like that. Just like that. 20 coins. Just as simple as that. You see? Now, if I put in $1, I get 4. Because it's just like normal. 4 quarters, 4 tokens. If I put in $5, I get my 20 coins. You see? Now notice, it says cash only. Why? Because the machine's processing. When it's done processing, it's ready again. So if I do my card for $6, I get $5 worth of coin. You see? Now, went to a lot of trouble to do that. If you've got a modern vending machine, you order it, and it comes with a cable, and it plugs right into your vending machine. And it's fine. Works. Doesn't work like that with older games. You gotta figure out which wire goes where, and you gotta customize your machine in order to do that. Of course, there's nothing easy here. So, if I show you inside, there's not a whole lot to see, but I can show you anyway. Ah! Wire, antenna, antenna going through on the back side. You'll see my antenna sitting on the top of the machine because it's cellular, and it will communicate cellularly to the company. Pull out my bill acceptor. There's no change on my bill acceptor. Nothing has changed. But down here, where their cable comes out, I had to grab the wires that I want, connect it to a relay. There's actually 2 relays there, you see them? And that is telling the machine what to do from the activation. And one of them is telling the unit not to take any more cards if the machine doesn't have enough coins to give you. The other one is telling the machine, okay, I've been paid, pay me, and it will give you the coins. And it's wired in. So this is how you do it on a change machine. Give your tokens, just like anything else, so you can play the games, game coins. So, you know, you talk about stuff, doing stuff. I'll show you in the front that I did it again. So you can get your game coins from your card reader or by using your money. You can use either one. And this change machine was already modified to run the water game. So I put another one here for water race. So you can start the water race with your card, you can get game coins with your card, and they both go through this change machine. And trust me when I tell you, things got pretty tight in there because it was made for one bill acceptor, and that's it. So you got a bill acceptor and a card reader, another bill acceptor, a ticket dispenser, and another card reader. And trust me when I tell you, it is jam-packed with a mess of wire in order to make that work. But, of course I did. But these were easier. I put them on the boxing machines. You see? 10 hits for $6. But over here, for $5, I get 10 plays. You see? Cash, 10 for $5. Electronic pay, 10 hits for $6. Very explicit. On the other side, another card reader. Same thing. Electronic pay, Google Pay, Apple Pay. Look at it. Visa, MasterCard, Apple Pay, Google Pay. It takes them all. It takes them all. Use your money. But it gives the people the opportunity to use the card. And as much as I dislike having to go with card readers, it was a necessary thing. Now I'm looking over here, and you see what I see? While we were inside filming videos, somebody was tampering with the water game. That means they had to have snuck around on the side and pushed the pedal. And in doing so, look, they even knocked this off. That's a cover for one of my controllers here, because they had to tamper with it. There you go. That's what they did. They were pulling on that, and they hit the switch. Oh. Why do I have to go through these things? Why must people tamper with stuff? I don't know. Don't know. But that's what makes it fun. And that's another episode at the Main Street Randyland YouTube channel. Bye, guys. If I could catch them, I'd chop their hand off. Ah.